Hi everyone, today let's have a quick look at the Logitech M585 Bluetooth mouse on my iPad Air 3. This will be a quick video, but if you want to skip around the different topics, check out the timestamps in the description box below. But since this is short, I'd appreciate it if you can watch it till the end and give it a like if you're feeling super. Connecting and setting this up is as usual. I've made different videos on other Logitech Bluetooth mouse or mice, and it's pretty much all the same. And for some reason, the USB receiver does not work on the iPad. Anyway, it has the Bluetooth, so I don't need to use the USB receiver. Did you know there are 7 buttons on this mouse? How to customize the buttons is again the same as other Bluetooth mouse. You go into accessibility settings, go to touch, turn on assistive touch, and go to the devices. Though there are 7 buttons, you cannot customize the scroll wheel itself and the left and right horizontal clicks. It just works as it is. For the left click, I set it as single tap to work as normal. The right click, I set it on double tap so it can show the cut, copy, paste options. For the scroll button, I always set it to go to the home screen. Here's a tip. If you use only the mouse without a Bluetooth keyboard, you will notice that this happens. The on-screen keyboard does not show. So to fix this, go to Assistive Touch in the accessibility settings and enable Show on-screen keyboard. Then when you use a Bluetooth keyboard, go back here to turn it off. For the 2 side buttons, I set it to scroll left and scroll right. Now about scrolling left and right. Using the horizontal scroll works, but it's kind of slow. Also, it will scroll the opposite way as it mimics the scrolling by fingers. Here's what I mean. If you swipe or click the mouse to the right, it will move to the left side of the screen. And if you swipe left or click the mouse to the left, it will move to the right side of the screen. So to change this to the usual horizontal scroll like how it works in PCs, you can change this in the general settings. Go to trackpad and mouse and turn on natural scrolling. Now, when you do horizontal scroll, clicking right will move the screen to the right, and the same when you click left. The first time I held this in my hand, it really felt comfortable. If you look closely, it really looks like a mouse. But this form makes it kinda ergonomic and will allow you to use it for long hours. So that's it. Thanks for watching.